Feeling hypnotized by the words that you said. Don't lie to me, I just got in my head. When the morning comes, you're still in my bed, but it's so, so cold. Oh,